Hey y'all, so I am going to grow some peppers from pepper seeds. So these are from the grocery store. We use them. And I just have the seeds all out like that. So I'm going to take them all off. I'm going to wash them. I'm going to let them sit out for a bit. And then I'm going to germinate them. Okay, so now I'm going to germinate these mini yellow, these mini sweet peppers. So I'm just dampening a paper towel. I'm going to do it in here because I don't have any Ziploc bags right now. Put this down there. And I'm going to place the seeds in a rows. I should get about 3 rows. And I don't want to put them too close together. So the seeds look like that on there. I'm going to fold this over. And you can definitely still see the seeds through the paper towel. Okay. I'll put this on top of here, and it just says it needs to be in a humid area. So, good morning, guys. These are the seeds that I germinated. These are some mini yellow and orange sweet peppers. So we're gonna put them straight into the ground. All right, little peppers, please grow. We love you.